Today, it's all about the upper body, the connection between the neck, the shoulders, the chest, and the upper back. Hi, I'm Rosemary from You Are Right on Time, and this is Take 5 Yoga, 5 minutes of mat-free yoga, perfect for beginners and gentle yogis. So come on, let's get started. Once you're comfortable in your chair, I invite you to begin with some gentle shoulder rolls backwards, just one shoulder at a time. Nice even breathing. Let's try both shoulders, up and back and down. If you hold lots of tension in your shoulders, this is a really wonderful movement to help release some of that tension. And coming into stillness. And any time that you get tired or your shoulders hurt from what we're doing, just come back to that gentle shoulder shrug. And so bringing one arm out to the side, I invite you to bring it across the body and touch the opposite shoulder. Bringing it out to the side, across the body to touch the shoulder. Inhale as you open, exhale as you touch your shoulder. Now you're not turning any part of your body. You're not twisting like this. What we're doing is opening the shoulder and opening the back. Opening the shoulder, opening the back. This time as you open your shoulder, see if you have a little more movement in that, taking it a little bit further behind you to whatever degree feels comfortable. And then coming across, touching your shoulder, take the other arm and bring it underneath as though you were going to hug yourself. And with this hand, just give a slight nudge to the upper arm so that the fingers can round perhaps to the back of your shoulder. If this causes any pain at all, then back away and just stay with one arm to the shoulder. But if not, hugging underneath and a gentle nudge to open the back of the shoulder. And releasing, and just take that shoulder in a few rolls back, just to release. Let's try that to the other side. So the arm comes up to shoulder height, bring it across the body to touch the shoulder. Bringing it back out and across. Inhale as you open, exhale as you close. Inhale, open as wide as feels comfortable. You'll also notice that this opens here in the chest and across. Open wide, back as far as your range of motion today will allow, feeling that opening across the shoulder and the chest. And now exhale, come across to touch your shoulder. Taking the other arm, bringing it underneath as though you were going to hug yourself, and just a very gentle nudge to bring those fingers behind you, if that's available. And release that, and you can take that shoulder up and back and down. One more is to give ourselves a hug. And so taking one arm, bringing it across the body, the other arm comes underneath so that you feel like you're hugging your shoulders. And I invite you to gently twist your body from side to side. You should be able to feel this across the upper back, small movements, just as though you were cradling a child. Gently, even breath, and come to stillness. I invite you to take both hands, holding on to the chair anywhere behind you. Immediately you can feel how that opened up the front of the shoulders, opened up the chest. You can stay here. Another option would be to bend from your waist, chin stays forward, and just lean a little bit into that chest opener. Take a breath here and come back up. Taking now this arm, bringing it across to your shoulder. The other arm comes underneath, so you're giving yourself a hug. And again, cradle that little child lovingly in your arms. Feel this as it opens all the corners, your shoulder blades wide apart. And coming to stillness, I invite you to take your hands behind you, holding on to the chair wherever it's comfortable. You can stay right here, or an option is to just slightly lean forward, giving a little bit deeper stretch in the shoulders. Coming back up and just a gentle shoulder roll to release the shoulders and coming to stillness. And that's it. 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. Namaste, dear friends.